In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the two price action strategy that made me and my student tons of money. As you can see here, look at this screenshot here, take a look at this screenshot here, and even here. All right, the price action strategy made me all this profit. All right, so right now guys, the first price action here is the break and the retest. You all know I trade a break and retest very well, so if you've been following me for a while now, you should know that the strategy I use is break and retest. All right, and the next one is called the breakout. All right, so guys, in this video I'm going to break down this strategy for you guys and how you should be trading with this strategy. I will show you how to trade this strategy and how to become profitable using this strategy. So the first strategy here is the break and the retest. All right, now how do you trade the break and retest? Right now, take a look at this chart here. Take a look at this chart here. As you can see, we have a resistance here. All right, we have a resistance here, and below we have a support just like this. All right, below we have a support just like this. Now, how do you trade it in this type of market? Right now, the market is on a consolidation move. All right, and you see the market giving you resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Now, as a price action trader and as a trend trader, you will only wait for the market to break up, break your resistance or pull back, turn it into a retest, then you can look to buy. That is how to trade the break and retest whenever the market is consolidating. Whenever the market is consolidating. Right now, take a look at something. This level here, this middle here is a no trade zone. This level is a no trade zone. Unless the market breaks above, pull back to retest, then turn your resistance into a support, then you can look to buy. All right, that is how you should be trading the break and retest. Now, there are different types of break and retest. All right now, before I jump to that, I will show you guys how to trade this one on the chart. Now, take a look at this. As you can see, look at what the market is doing here. Look at what price is doing here. What do we have? We have a resistance here. We have a resistance. Then the market came all the way down again, and now we have a resistance. Now, what did the market do? As we are having a resistance, guys, we have a support. We have a support, supports, and a support. Right now, the market broke our resistance, pull back to retest, and give us a buying opportunity. All right, and that is how I take this trade from here. That is how I took this buying opportunity from here, just like this. Whatever trade I am breaking down here for you guys, I took it. All right, I don't just come to the chart and start showing you what I don't know. Whatever trade you're seeing here, I took it. All right, so guys, in this type of situation, this is how you should be trading it. All right, now let me show you guys the next type of break and retest. All right, so right now we all know the market moves in three ways, right? The forex market moves in three ways: the bullish move, the bearish move, and the sideways, or the consolidation. All right, the consolidating phase. All right, so right now, if we have the market going to the upside, the market will be giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows. They will have higher highs and what a higher lows again. So as you can see here, this level is our resistance zone. All right, that was broken. All right, and the resistance zone was broken. When price pulled back, turn our resistance here into a support. Now what do? We should be looking for buying opportunity just from here. Take a look at this level. Now if you can see, this is a resistance. All right, this is a clear resistance at this level. Now what do? We must wait for the market to come from our support just like this, pull back, turn our resistance here into a support, then we can look to buy again. This is another type of break and retest. Now I want you to take a look at this break and retest. All right, what do we have here? The market is on a bullish move. Let's say the market is on a bullish move just like this. All right, so as you can see, the market is giving us a series of what the market came from the downside, gave us a series of higher highs, pull back, give us a series of higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. All right, now we have a resistance here. What did the market do? The market break our resistance, pull back to retest, and now give us a buying opportunity, right? A buying confirmation. All right, that is how we take our buying opportunity just from here. Stop loss below, and you can put your first take profit here, then the second take profit just like this. And as you can see, the market retested the market, and as you can see, the market hit our TP just like this. Now let me show you guys more examples. Take a look at this example here. What do we have here? We have a resistance here, right? If you extend to this level, what did the market do, guys? The market broke our resistance zone here. Resistance, as you can see, it's a double top, right? So the market broke our resistance zone here, break our resistance, pull back to retest here. This is a pure retest. This is a confirmed retest just like this around this level, right? The market pull back to retest and give us a what? A buying opportunity. All right, a buying opportunity. As you guys can see, it is very clear. Then we look to buy here, guys. This is the strategy that have been making me and my student money. This is the strategy we've been using. All right. Trust me, guys, this strategy is the best strategy you should be using, and this strategy is the best strategy for any beginner to use. Right now, before we continue, guys, if you want me to mentor you, click on the link in the description box to join our mentorship program right now. And if you want to send me a message on Telegram, then you can click on the link also to send me a message on Telegram. All right. The second price action strategy here is called the breakout. All right. So, guys, we've been hearing about breakout, but we don't know how to trade a breakout. All right. Breakout is in form of when you are waiting for a break, when you are waiting for a retest. Right now, let me show you guys example right now. Let's say you have that consolidation market still just like this, around this level, just like this. Right now you have that consolidation market, and as you can see, what do you have here? We have a resistance just like this. All right. We have a resistance just like that, and we have a support around this level. These are for the breakout traders. All right. Now what would you do? You will want the market to break your support zone just like this below. All right. Now let's say that's a bearish move. You wait for, that's a bearish candle. You wait for the market to break your support zone just like this, and you wait for that candlestick to close. All right. Now after that candlestick close, then you enter your breakout. Then you enter your breakout entry. Put your stop loss below, or you can put it below just like this. Then you look to write it down just like this. All right. Depend on the type of trader you are, or depend on how you want your stop loss. Let's say this is an example of a bullish move, and the market came from the downside all the way, break your resistance zone just like that. As a breakout trader, you must wait for the market to break out and close. All right. You must wait for the market to break your structure and close. That is what we call BOS, break of structure. Right. You must wait for the market to break and close above your structure or below your structure. Then you look to buy. Now look at example. Take a look at this example. If the market close below like this, close above like this. If the market close above like this, then we'll look for a buying opportunity just like this. All right. That is how to trade a breakout. So guys, let me show you that example on chart right now. Right now, guys, as you can see, what do we have here? We have a resistance zone just like this. All right, we have a resistance zone just like this. If you are waiting for the next candle to close before you take your entry, let's say you enter at this level, and you can see this is a resistance here. Right now, you want the market, the candlestick, to break out, all right, and close before you look to enter. Let's say you wait for a breakout and your stop loss is below here. You see that the market might have kicked you out unless you have a very you have a 50 pip stop loss or 50-point stop loss just like this. Then you can take this breakout. There's advantage and disadvantage in all these strategies you're seeing here. You understand? This is how to trade a breakout. Right now, let me show you guys another example here on how you can trade a breakout. This is a higher highs here, and this is a resistance. So in some situations now, you have to go down to the 3 minutes time frame to wait for a breakout. All right, then you can take your breakout entry. So right now you can see we have that resistance on the 5-minute time frame, and right now it's still a resistance on the 3-minute time frame. All right, so right now we have that candlestick breakout just like this. This is an entry for us to buy, to look for a buying opportunity. Boom, just like this. You can see this is a breakout strategy. All right, breakout strategy happens different way. All right, now let me show you guys another example here. We have this resistance zone here just like this. All right, what did the market do? The market gave us a breakout just like this. Our stop loss will be below just like this, and our TP will be above just like this, or we can extend it, no matter how you like it. Now let me show you guys another example. All right, let me show you guys another example. Right now, what do we have here? The market is on a bearish move. We have a head and shoulder. Right, we have the first shoulder here, we have the head, then we have the second shoulder here. As you can see on the second shoulder here, we have a support, which is the neckline just like this. All right, we have a support around this level. That is a support. All right, what do? We must wait for the market to break our support, wait for candlestick to break below and close, then we look to enter. Right now, this candlestick close here, this is an entry for us. All right, this candlestick close here, stop loss be above just like this, and right now you can see a breakout has happened. Then right now that is an entry for us. So guys, it is very simple to trade a breakout. This is the strategy that me and my student have been using, and this is a strategy that has been making us all this money. All right, so right now, guys, if you want me to mentor you, you can click on the link in the description box to join our mentorship program right now. And if you want to send me a message on Telegram, then also click on my description box and send me a message on Telegram. So guys, If you like this video, I want you to comment, I want you to like, I want you to share, then turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop a video. Peace.